Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about a new update that is available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So this update is available for the Good Lock application, and to update it simply go into your Galaxy Store app and from here tap on menu. From then you just have to tap on updates. Now from here you will get to see the new Good Lock application update available. Talking about what's new, so it has improved to get the list of the latest apps in the store immediately after the Android OS upgrade, and further improved for the app stabilization and other bugs and fixes have been done. Further, you also have an update available for the Samsung members application, and to update them all simply tap on update all. The Samsung members application is of 26 MBs in size, and once they both are downloaded they will be installed. And finally both of the applications are installed and downloaded, and now you are good to go. Further, if you talk about the OneUi 7 update, now all eyes are on the OneUi 7 update, and it is one of the most anticipated and delayed update as well. It was to be released on 7th April, but it is region based and some of the regions will get it first while the other regions will get it a bit late. Talking about my device, so the OneUi 7 update is not yet available on my device. Do let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your phone or not yet, as the rollout is now officially started from the April 7th, and now today on April 8th I have still no update available on my device. Hopefully the OneUi 7 update will be soon available on my device, and I will inform you guys once it is available on my device. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe. And that's a wrap for today's video. Check out this new Google Play system update, and let me know in the comment section that have you got the OneUi 7 update on your device or not yet.